boy Lucky Boy Gaming. So we are playing Don't Press the Button. We're playing here with my cousin Aries. So say hi.
Hi.
Say louder. Hi. Okay, now let's play the game. Oh my god, I died.
Me too.
Boomerang game. I have no idea what. Oh my god. Oh. I made it! What? Does someone have a fart on 20,000?
Oh, no one touched it.
Oh my.
Press the button.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god! I believe I got some burgers falling down the sky, and I got these rocks hitting me in the air, and I wish one could came down and kill me. Oh yeah, kill me, please. Oh my god, there's so much. Oh my god, I'm about to die. Oh, I'm safe. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. How did I die? I didn't even touch it. This game's a cheat McGreeps. I got some coins. I feel like I'm about to cry. Go. What is it? Oh, press the button challenge. Cheeseburger. Oh, time's up. Who won? I didn't win. Burger ring. Oh my god. Oh my god. Booger ring. Oh my god. What? What did you say what to me for? Hello? Are you okay? Oh my god. You have some ice cream? Give me some ice cream. Oh, you got money? Give me the money. I want some Robux. Give me the Robux. Oh my god. Duck, what do you say? You don't like this round? Me too. I wish this round would go away. It's gone? I'm in space! Heaven's real! We are in space. I believe I am in space and having a great day. Did y'all subscribe? Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the bell icon. If y'all don't do those things, a crazy monster will come to your home. Or you have to finish your obby. No! Doink! I made it. I made it to the checkpoint. I made it to the checkpoint. Oh my god. I'm in a tornado. Oh, my cousin. I'm safe. My friend Brittany. My friend Brittany's here. What? Okay, that's gonna wrap up for today's video. And